Set personalized schedules for your dog. Super strict. This guy. So it's not breaking it. And then when it was our turn, we picked our spot. Set personalized schedules for your dog. Super strict. This guy. So it's not breaking it. And then when it was our turn, we picked our spot. Good for indoors use, right? So this is something that we come up with, a solution to solve this problem. We have a very cool tech wall.
Alright, so I'm just stopping by here at Dreo booth. A very big booth, lots of smart fan. This is the coolest one available here at the booth, and my representative here is talking about it. I want to make sure you get all the information. This here is actually blowing out mist, and it cools the room down. It has a temperature and everything. I don't want to mess it up. I want to pass over to the expert to tell us everything about this product here and when you can buy it, what's unique about it.
I'm going to talk a little bit about why we created this misting, turbo cool misting fan. So traditionally, tower fan, it's good. It moves the air, but it only moves the air. It doesn't lower the temperature. And evaporating coolers or traditional misting fan, you know, it makes the surface wet, so it's not good fit for indoor use. So we come up with a solution like this. We combine a humidifier, an ultrasonic humidifier with a tower fan. That's what you see here. So we have two ultrasonic atomization plates at the bottom and two dual channels here to make sure the mist is blow out further and evenly. And the mist you can see from here is really fine. It's not wetting anything. You can see from my cell phone. I put it here.
Yeah, you can't actually get any moisture on the cell phone. And look how close we are to the fan, which is interesting.
And you look at the surface over here. Nothing.
Yeah, dry.
No any droplets or anything. But you can still feel the cool. It can cool you down up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's something that.
Which is very weird because I could feel like sprinkles on my face,
but no,
there's nothing
it's not
there.
raining, right?
Yeah, it's very eerie.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
It's eerie, but cooling.
Cooling,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
And I also noticed you have the smaller version.
Yeah, we got a smaller version over there. It looks different. It basically has the same tech, but it's engineered for smaller spaces.
Small
and
spaces like a desk, a meeting room. Okay, perfect.
And
Awesome.
we also got a new one for the outdoor spaces.
Oh.
Yeah, you know, like there are a lot of misting fans for outdoor, and this is our solution for outdoor. So you can basically attach a pole at the back, and then you spray out all the mist from here. And it is also IP4 and weatherproof, so you can leave it out there. Yeah, I can turn.
Oh yes, I can feel it.
This is the strongest if you use it, it's a strong tower fan of Dreo and also the industry because
Okay.
the wind speed is more than 33 feet per second. So even when you're standing at the back, you still feel the winds coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So it can be used both outdoor and indoor. So if you're not using the mist, you can use it indoor as well.
And what I like about it, does it integrate with your smart home assistants?
Of course. Everything that all of our flagship models, the fans, the heaters, and everything is like compatible with the apps features. So you can control it with the app.
And in terms of the refill for the model
one?
over there, yes.
Yeah.
How many water do you need to use to refill
we
it?
have a water tank over here. It's like a 6-liter water
6
tank.
liter?
So with this one, on the highest settings, it can last more than 7 hours.
Wow.
But on the lowest settings, it lasted around like 30 plus hours.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the 765S.
Yes, it's gonna be launched in April.
Okay.
Early April.
Early April.
Yes.
And it's already won the award for best CES 2026.
Yeah, it got a lot of attention from our media guests.
Awesome. Well, great job. Thank you for telling us about this product
No
here.
problem.
And we will link in the description here where you can find out when this product is live and when you can place your order for this product here. Also, Dreo makes additional products that might fit what you're looking for, so you can explore the website to learn more about the different products that Drego's offer.